Hi everyone, this is Dirk. Today I will be testing the Orange Master Airscrew rotors and we'll see how these propellers are working. For me it's not important how it looks, it's more important how it performs, how you can control the drone. I find it very sad that DJI officially has disbanded the sale of all Phantom 3 products in order to push people to purchase their more expensive drones and newer drones like the Phantom 4 or the Mavic Pro 2. I think the Phantom 3 Professional is an amazing drone. It delivers amazing and great footage, and I don't see a need in purchasing a different drone as long as this one is doing so well. But in the meantime, you have to put up with aftermarket products or counterfeit products that they are selling on Amazon. So let's take a look and see how these babies perform. So first of all, the takeoff was super smooth. And given the current wind situation, I was really impressed by that. Also, the way the drone was responding and flying was, again, very smooth and very stable. I did not expect this from an aftermarket product. Now I wanted to fly a couple of maneuvers to see how responsive the drone is with this new propellers on. And of course, I made way more tests. I'm showing here just a little bit of that. But after all, I felt very comfortable to take it up for a higher ride. And again, if you're increasing altitude, very likely the wind is much stronger up there, and given this fact, I think the drone was performing very well and stable with the new propellers on. Also, just for your information, I had an ND8 filter on my camera, and I will shortly make a video on the filter set that I purchased on Amazon and the different results, so you can compare the filters side by side and evaluate for yourself if it makes sense to put them on or not. So, drone is coming back, and again, very stable, very strong, very responsive, so I was impressed. I know my landing was not the smoothest and not the best, but please forgive me because, as I said, it was quite windy this day. I also purchased a different set of propellers, and the sellers claimed that this would be genuine DJI propellers. I bought them for 15 bucks on Amazon and I put them on. Let's see how they perform. Time for takeoff. And it was like gravity seemed to kick in again and again and again and pulled the drone downwards, although my finger pulled the lever upwards. So the handling was not good at all. Once I was able to stabilize the drone a little bit, I wanted to test how I could maneuver the drone with these new propellers on. And yeah, you could fly it, but it was always overshooting its target by a little bit. So after a few more tests, I really didn't feel comfortable to take it up for a higher ride. All I wanted to do was just landing the drone. But even this turned out to become a challenge. And here's what happened. I slowly wanted to decrease altitude and wanted to come down to the ground, and I had my lever pulled down, and suddenly the drone jumped back up. So whatever happened here, I was not happy with the performance of those propellers. However, I was very impressed by the Master Airscrew propellers, and they call them upgrade, and now I know why, because they definitely are an upgrade to the original drone propellers. They are also available in white, black and green, and I'll put a link in the description below, and if you want to purchase some of these propellers and you would use my link, it would help my channel, and I would really appreciate this. Anyway, let me know in the comments below what you think about the new propellers, and also let me know what you have on your drone. Thanks so much for watching this video, I hope you liked it, and I hope to see you soon again. Bye for now.